We must hurry if we want to catch the sunset. This is the final boss. Oh, I cut myself. That's really goddamn. Almost crashed.
What are you doing?
The battery is done. Your little white helmet is abandoning me. Hello guys! So, as you can see, the G2Master headlight is not working. Like, look at this. I'm pressing the button and the other lights are working and lighting up, but the headlight, no more. It's done. It's kaput. Perhaps it's because of the water, but I don't really think so. So I'm gonna do what any other reasonable human being would do. I'm going to... where is the key? Yeah, good question. Oh, it's in my pocket. Oops. I'm going to take the good light from the G2 Pro. As you can see, it fires up. I think it's pretty much the same model. Like, look at this. Same dimensions. And I'm not going to change it right now because that would be boring. So I'm going to take it inside my backpack and change it in the middle of somewhere. Perhaps in the middle of a street or a field. One down, guys. Now the other one. Another one down. Now this should go off technically. And it's not going off. Why is it not going off? Like, what? Ah, you just have to slide it. Okay. Now I just have to cut the zip ties. And in the process, let's hope I'm not cutting my hand. Very slowly. Oh, let's go. Look at this. Bye bye zip tie. This should... Oh, done. As you can see, now I have a working headlight, hopefully. I hope you're working, boy. I'm going to put it in my backpack and ride with the broken headlight until it's absolutely necessary to change it. See you guys outside. Okay, now I just have to go to school for 6 hours and then I will meet up with Stupid Little White Helmet and continue our little journey. Oh, look at that. Is that a G4 or a G2? I think it's a G4. It's a G4. Damn, look at the weather outside, guys. It's sunny, it's beautiful, it looks like spring. But yesterday it snowed, and it snowed like a blizzard.
Last Christmas I gave you my...
Like how? I can't figure it out. Look at the stand, so many stickers. Kukirins and Xiaomi. I'm not gonna forget my keys this time. See you guys after school. I'm finally free after 6 hours of school. I feel mentally drained. But at least now I'm going to go to the stadium and meet up with Little White Helmet and the Dualtron G2, if you guys remember him. Who under... I thought that was a car, but it was just a screwdriver. I meant like a cutting machine. They are not here, of course. Now I just have to wait them half an hour. I don't even know. It's gonna be a lot of time waiting them. So annoying, guys, so annoying. So at this point they are not here, as you can see. None of them. And I think I'm just gonna wait until they appear. Look who is here after 30 minutes of waiting. Look at them. He popped a wheelie. I waited for you guys half an hour. Half an hour. What?
It wasn't my fault.
It was his. Holy, wait. Guys, you seeing this? This is the final boss. Look at that LED light from our side with the support, of course, Supremacy Store. And you understand? Dual battery, pretty safe design here with a bit of duct. Anti-furt, key with voltmeter, and dash cam. He almost died, and carbon fiber. Many things.
Look this.
Kukirin gloves, where did you get them from?
Kukirin is so kind. Shu. They give me a present.
They give you a present?
Yes.
You have a remote for the LEDs?
And for the camera.
And for the camera?
Yes.
For the dash camera? Yes. No way. It's not powering on. Ah, what? You guys seeing this? Look at that. This is technology. Holy. I didn't see the spoiler. You carbon fiberated this too. It's so cute. Oh, and he bought a DJI drone.
Because I sponsored
great
by the
technology.
Chinese Communist Party.
What? Do you support the Chinese Communist
Yes,
Party?
I do.
Me too. So he bought a drone, a DJI drone, of course, because he needs to buy Chinese stuff, right?
Yes.
Is it ready to launch?
Almost.
Oh, and what if I do this and this? What happens?
You get in depth. Are you ready?
I'm ready, come on. Look at this! Alien technology. In 20-30 years, this is going to be the police. Hear me out. We're gonna film some TikToks with the drone, and after that we're going to get on the road. I feel like African tribes with this. We're finally going after 1 hour. Got them out. Oh, he almost fell! Of course. Whoa, 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 watch out, boy, watch out. You're getting... Ooh.
You're an idiot.
Me?
Yes.
Because
you overtake me.
and of course I overtake you.
Clearly
Of course I overtake you because where is yours? Here.
on the way.
Liar.
They say there are 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance.
I'm at max throttle and it only goes 59, 61. Okay, never mind. Are they still behind me? No, they are not behind me. I might have gone with a bit too much speed for them. It's again waiting. Oh, he's here. Don't say that to the camera.
How much battery did you lose?
We don't talk about the battery, right?
Măsurile ce se impun suspendarea activității.
No, we don't talk about the battery. You don't talk about the battery. It's old. It has 1000 kilometers, okay? But if I do a little funny thing and do like...
Tag.
Oh, you have a tag, of course. You technology geek. No, I don't have battery. No, don't. No, I will have my revenge on you, I swear.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! You're harassing me.
He's coming. He has a big fight. Come on.
What are you doing?
He is cooked in a real fight. You realize that? Oh! You mother. Nah, you nah, you ain't getting out of this. You cook! I caught you. Where are you going now? In the forest? You are not around me. The hell you doing in this random parking lot? Get out of... I almost crashed, I can't believe this. You realize in the parking lot you almost killed me, like I gone straight into a fence.
A wise man once said, it's not always about the car, it's also about the driver.
Come on, we must hurry if we want to catch the sunset. Locked in 100%, let's go. Ah, why this world is so funny. Right when I said I have to lock in, the SD card ran out of storage. You know how much volts I have left? 50 volts left.
Go on single motor, bro.
Going on the Master with only one engine is a pain. I'm just used to instantly. We're so close. Look at the sunset. Okay, I'm gonna pop dual because I can't stand this. Finally, look at it. We missed the sunset a bit, but at least it's still light outside. I think this is the moment I'm going to change my headlight. As I told you guys, I have packed in my backpack everything. I have the cutter, a screwer, the old brake pads from the G2Max, okay, and the headlight. Look at that, the headlight. I'm gonna put it here. Now I just have to unscrew these things. Come on. Okay, one screw down, unscrew the other screw. Right? Is done. Now do that. Cut this with the cutter. Oh, I cut myself. Of course I cut myself. I told you guys. And in the process, let's hope I'm not cutting my hand. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh. I'm just gonna slide this in. Plug the wire. Okay. Let's see if actually the headlight works. In my theory, it should. It works perfectly. Let's go. Fixed it. Partially because now the G2 Pro doesn't have headlight. No, I think I got it. I got one. Okay, we got the other one inside. Let's go. Now I just have to screw them. Just making sure they're really tight. Now let's zip the thing. It's hard with the gloves, but there is nothing we can do. And the drone is filming me. Look at that. Almost fixed. Now the cutter that cut my hand. And done. I'm not ever using that again. I'm putting all of this back in my backpack. And the G2Master is finally fixed, guys. Now I have again a headlight that I can use to go and ride in the dark. No way I don't get a flat tire after this ride. We can't see nothing, and I changed the settings on the camera in super night mode. I hope it looks good and not clanky. There are a lot of forests near us, so it's really cold. I think there is about 1 degree outside, and that's freezing cold. Where am I heading? It's so dark. What? Oh hell no. Do you see how dark is it? Holy! That's really goddamn creepy, look at that. Forest at night. Goddamn. It's like a lighthouse. Look at that, nothingness. Come on, let's go. 48 volts left. Oh. Okay, I really hope I can make it home. No comment. No comment.
Now,
no comment.
what are you doing? I'm getting home, you're in the streets.
No comment.
You need to go slow. Slow and steady.
Really slow and steady. What did you say? Asole? Asole?
Asole.
Asole?
Asole.
Asole mio corazone.
Sì.
The battery is kaput, guys. It's done. Only 26. 25. Oh no! It might be the end. 23, 22, 21.
Hello.
The battery is done.
Chef.
The battery is gone. Look at that.
Okay, hold my arm.
Are you pushing me? And it's working? Come on. Is it hard for you to do that? But not hard. Whoa, we're picking up pace. Oh! Pushing me into the street.
We picked up a bit too much speed.
A bit too much pace, yes, a bit too much. No way. Bine. Cute little white helmet is abandoning me. I will remember him. Oh. Guys, I'm alone. I called another friend, black helmet friend, to help me. He is a really cutie pie. Not like cute little white helmet that abandoned me. Only 6% battery left on the camera. This might die on us, 5% right now. So I think that's it for today. I don't know how much time he will take to come here, but I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. See you next time.